I'm here to show you how to get this Valentine's Day inspired look. If you want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching. I'll be posting weekly, so don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a like and comment down below what you want me to see do next. And yeah, let's get into this video.
So we're first going to start off by priming our eyes. I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Now I'm going in with my Morphe 350M palette, and I'm using this nude shade to set my eye.
Love don't come easy at all. I miss you so much. I miss you so much.
Still using the same palette, I'm just going to mix these two shades and put them in my crease. Going in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm taking this pink shade and putting that in the inner and outer corners of my eye. Still using the same palette, I'm going in with these two purple shades and I'm putting that in the inner and outer corner of my eye. Going back in with the pink shade, we're just going to blend everything out. Just to deepen the purple, I'm going back in with these two colors and putting them in the inner and outer corner of my eye. Going in with my Morphe 350S palette, I'm going to take this pinky champagne color and put that in the middle of my lid. You guys don't have to do this step, but I like putting designs on my eyes. If you guys want to know how to make different kinds of shapes and stuff like that, please let me know in the comments down below. But all I'm doing is just putting two dots on my lid and then connecting the bottom, filling it in with my Urban Decay Razor Sharp liner. And I'm just going back in with that pinky champagne color, and I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eye and my brow bone. Now I'm just taking the pink shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I'm putting that on my lower lash line. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be posting weekly, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below what you want to see me do next. And that's all I got for you guys today. Bye, loves!
When I want and how I want it, leave you with the one in me, yeah, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show, so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, to the world.